So another book of my collections is a slow cooking book. So today I'm going to make an Asian style braised pork. Now it's got pork neck, but I haven't got pork neck, so I'm just using pork steaks. So to start with, I've fried my pork in sesame oil. It says peanut oil, but I haven't got any, so I'm using sesame oil. And then in my jug, I've just halved the ingredients what it says. So I've got a cinnamon stick. It asks for a Star Anise, which I haven't got Star Anise. So if good old Google, it's substituted for Chinese 5 spice. So I've got rice wine, soy sauce, a cinnamon stick, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and an onion, and then I've topped it up with some water. So my pork's already in my slow cooker, so I'm gonna add all my ingredients in so it's all coated. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna leave that for a good 3 or 4 hours, then we'll come back, serve this up with some boiled rice. Delicious. My Asian style pork. Ooh, it's been in my slow cooker most of the afternoon, and I've just thickened it with a bit of cornflour, and I'm going to serve it up with some boiled rice. Ooh, I can smell all them spices. It smells delicious. There you go. Asian style pork.